Welcome to our in-depth guide on setting up blog automation with Texta. If you're looking to transform your blog into a content powerhouse, you're in the right place. We'll walk you through each step with clear examples to help you automate your blogging journey effectively. First, let's understand what blog automation with Texta is. Imagine being able to consistently publish fresh, relevant, and engaging content on your blog. You won't have to manually write each piece. Blog automation makes this possible. It generates articles based on your specified criteria and schedules them for publication automatically. Now let's break down the setup process. After logging into your Texta dashboard, navigate to the blog automation feature. This is your command center for initializing and managing your automated content production. Let's say you run a real estate agency blog. By accessing the blog automation feature, you can set up a system. This system will regularly publish articles on market trends, home improvement tips, or property investment advice, all based on your selected preferences. Next, assign a unique name to your blog automation. This name should reflect the campaign's purpose or the theme of the content to be generated. It will help you easily manage and identify different automations. For a real estate blog, you might name your automation Home Buyers Essentials. This clearly indicates the content theme and periodicity. The next step is about directing the focus of your content. Enter a descriptive topic or a list of relevant keywords. Include as much detail as possible. This will guide the AI in generating content that aligns with your blog's niche and audience interests. For a campaign named Home Buyers Essentials, you could provide keywords. These might include budgeting for a new home, mortgage application process, or choosing the right neighborhood. Each keyword sets the foundation for informative, targeted content. This content is designed to assist prospective home buyers. Next, choose the language in which your content will be generated. This ensures that your blog communicates effectively with your target audience. It enhances engagement and accessibility. If your real estate blog primarily caters to an English-speaking audience, you'd select English. This ensures all automated content resonates with your readers' cultural and linguistic preferences. Finally, select the content management system or platform you use. This step is crucial for enabling the seamless publishing of generated content directly to your blog. If your real estate blog is hosted on WordPress, you'd choose WordPress as your integration. If you hadn't set up an integration yet, don't worry. We have a dedicated tutorial on how to make integrations. You can watch it to get started. The next step is to select a blog template. This is a crucial part of the process, and we'll cover it in our next section. Now, let's set up the heart of creating impactful content, the blog template. We'll refine your automated blog post to engage your target audience. We'll also meet your strategic content goals. Let's start with the content section. We'll use a real estate blog example for practical insights. First, select the article type. The type of article you choose shapes the content's framework. Texta offers various article types, each serving a unique purpose. These range from informative pieces to how-to guides. For a real estate blog, the how-to article type is perfect. It's ideal for educating first-time homebuyers. This type of article guides readers through processes. These could be mortgage applications or home inspections. It provides step-by-step assistance. Next, set the tone. The tone of your content defines its personality. It also determines how it resonates with readers. The right tone ensures your message is conveyed appropriately. A real estate blog has a varied audience. A professional tone might be suited for articles on market analysis. A casual tone could be more engaging for home renovation tips. Matching the tone to the content type and target audience enhances readability. It also improves connection. Now, define the target audience. Tailored content meets their needs and interests. This might involve adjusting the article's complexity, depth, and angle. If your target audience is first-time home buyers, focus on basics. Avoid technical jargon. Use clear, easy-to-understand language. This educates and reassures novice buyers. Select the creativity level. This determines how innovative or original your content will be. Factual articles require less creativity. Stories or opinion pieces benefit from a higher creativity level. For engaging potential home buyers, select a more creative approach. This brings a fresh, unique perspective to your blog. It differentiates it from straightforward, informational real estate content. Lastly, make use of keyword suggestions. Keywords are vital for SEO. To ensure your blog is easily found, it's important to include keywords that are high volume and low competition. The good news is these keywords are selected automatically, making the process easier and more efficient for you. Keywords like affordable homes in New York, first-time buyer tips can boost your blog's visibility. Use tools for keyword research and selection. This ensures your content is high quality and discoverable by potential readers. In conclusion, mastering the content section in blog automation is pivotal. It helps craft articles that resonate with your audience and achieve your marketing goals. By carefully selecting the article type, setting the tone, defining the target audience, picking the creativity level, and incorporating keywords, your blog will stand out. We've set up your blog automation in the content section. Now, let's dive into structuring your articles for maximum impact. The structure section is key to creating engaging, accessible, and informative content. Let's break down each feature. We'll use our ongoing real estate blog example for clarity. First, let's talk about implementing a table of contents. This acts as a navigation guide for your readers. It's especially useful for longer articles. It presents a clear outline of your content. This allows readers to easily jump to sections of most interest to them. This tool significantly enhances user experience and accessibility. For example, in a detailed guide on home buying, a table of contents is useful. It allows your readers to swiftly navigate to specific steps. Steps like applying for mortgages or closing the deal. This improves the readability and utility of your content. Next, consider embedding YouTube videos. Including relevant videos within your articles can enrich the user experience. They provide visual explanations or additional perspectives on the topic. Videos cater to users who prefer visual learning. They can make complex or detailed topics more digestible. For instance, embedding a YouTube video that tours a recently listed property is beneficial, or a video on how to stage a home for sale. This can significantly enhance the appeal of your real estate blog posts. It keeps your audience engaged. A strong conclusion is also important. A well-crafted conclusion summarizes the article's key points. It reinforces the main message. It provides a final thought or a call to action. This leaves a lasting impression on the reader. It can encourage further engagement with your content. For an article on the benefits of owning a home, the conclusion is crucial. It could highlight the emotional and financial rewards of homeownership. This encourages readers to explore available listings on your website or to contact your agency for personalized advice. Tables are useful for data presentation. They organize data and information in a clear, accessible format. This is useful for articles that involve comparisons, statistics, or hierarchies. It makes it easier for readers to grasp and retain the presented information. For example, a table comparing average home prices, property taxes, and school ratings is helpful. It offers valuable insights at a glance. This aids your readers in making informed decisions about where to buy a home. An FAQ section at the end of your articles can enhance their value. It anticipates and addresses additional questions your readers might have. This boosts the article's SEO potential. It also increases reader engagement and satisfaction. Adding an FAQ section that answers common questions is beneficial. Questions about the home buying process, mortgage approval, or property taxes. This can make your real estate blog a go-to resource for prospective buyers. It enriches their research journey. The length of an article can influence its effectiveness. Deciding on a short, medium, long, or extra long format is important. It allows you to align your content with user expectations. It also optimizes for search engines, which often favor comprehensive content. A short article might introduce a new property listing. An extra long piece could serve as an in-depth guide to the home buying process. Matching the article length to the content's purpose and audience's needs is key. It ensures your blog remains engaging and informative. In conclusion, navigating through the structure section and applying its features elevates your content. It makes it more engaging, informative, and user-friendly. By organizing your blog posts, incorporating multimedia elements, and tailoring your content, your blog will attract and retain readers. Join us in the next section of this tutorial. We'll explore how to further enrich your content through the knowledge section. Now, it's time to delve into the knowledge section. This part of our guide focuses on using strategic features to enrich your articles. By ensuring your content is well-informed and tailored to your audience, you create articles that resonate more profoundly with your readers. Let's explore how we can achieve this, particularly for a real estate blog. First, let's talk about enabling access to the internet. The internet is a major source of up-to-date information and current trends. By enabling internet access, Texta can pull the most recent data into your articles. This ensures that your content reflects the latest insights and developments. For a real estate blog, it's crucial to incorporate the most current market data and news. Allowing internet access lets the automated system gather and integrate these trends into your articles. This provides your readers with timely and pertinent information. It also positions your blog as an authoritative source. Next, we need to specify a target country. Localizing your content is critical for connecting with your audience on a regional level. By specifying a target country, you ensure that any external data or examples are highly relevant to your reader's location and interests. If your real estate blog focuses on the U.S. market, specify the United States as your target country. This ensures that the automated content includes region-specific data, regulations, and market trends. This makes your articles more relatable and valuable to your primary audience. Finally, let's talk about embedding your brand identity. Maintaining a consistent brand identity across your content strengthens brand recognition. It also builds trust with your readers. Incorporating your brand name and a brief description into your articles ensures they reflect your brand's voice, style, and values. In every article about home buying tips or market analyses, mention your real estate agency's name. Include a snippet about your mission to simplify home buying. This can reinforce your brand identity. This consistency ensures readers associate the helpful and authoritative content with your brand, enhancing loyalty and trust. Through the knowledge section, you equip yourself with tools to ensure your blog articles are not just well written, but are also informed, relevant, and perfectly aligned with your target audience and brand. This strategic approach to article generation enables you to produce content that stands out for its depth and accuracy. This makes your real estate blog a trusted source of information. As we move forward into the final sections of our comprehensive guide, remember, rich content draws from a combination of structure, knowledge, creativity, and SEO practices to captivate and retain readers. Crafting effective CTAs is crucial in capturing attention and guiding readers towards your desired action. This can significantly elevate the conversion potential of your real estate blog. Let's start with the CTA text. This is your initial hook. It communicates the value proposition to your readers, enticing them to click. The text should be action-oriented, direct, and benefit-focused. This prompts an immediate response. For example, if your blog post highlights the simplicity of finding a dream home with your agency, a compelling CTA text might be, "Start your journey to a dream home today." This text is clear, motivational, and directly related to the article's content. It's relevant and enticing for the reader. Next, let's talk about the CTA button text. This should echo the urgency and value hinted at in your CTA text. However, it should be more concise. This is the text on the clickable button itself and is a direct call to action. Continuing with our previous example, the CTA button could simply say, "Find your home." It's short, actionable, and clearly tells the reader what to expect upon clicking. The choice of words here can make the difference between a reader taking action or moving on. Lastly, we have the CTA URL. This is the destination where your readers land after clicking the CTA button. It's crucial that this URL leads to a page that delivers on the promise made by the CTA text. It should align with the reader's expectations. For the Find Your Home CTA, ensure the URL directs readers to a well-organized listings page on your site. This page should showcase properties that match their interests. The URL should lead directly to the featured listings page. This avoids any disconnect between the CTA and the landing page content. In conclusion, by meticulously crafting each aspect of your call to action, you enhance the effectiveness of your real estate blog's CTAs. Each element plays a pivotal role in converting readers into leads, clients, or subscribers. Remember the power of a well-constructed CTA in achieving your content marketing goals. It drives meaningful actions from your audience. Let's talk about the crucial roles of sitemaps and filtering and refining your internal linking strategy. By using sitemaps and filters effectively, you can make your blog's internal links SEO-friendly. This will help you rank higher in Google search. Now let's delve into the specifics of using sitemaps and filters for optimized internal linking. First, let's talk about sitemaps for internal linking. Sitemaps are like a roadmap of your website. They are available to both users and search engines. They list the URLs of a site, which helps search engines crawl your site more efficiently. For internal linking, sitemaps can serve as a foundation. They help identify which pages to link within your content. Let's take a real estate blog as an example. Your blog might have a range of articles from market trends to DIY home improvement tips. By uploading the URL of your sitemap into your blog automation tool or CMS, you can access all your blog's content for internal linking. Next, let's discuss filtering. Filtering is a tool that allows you to focus on specific URLs from your sitemap for internal linking. By setting up filters, you decide the pattern of URLs that aligns with the context of the article being generated or updated. let's go back to the real estate blog example. Imagine you're writing an article focused on buying your first home. To ensure internal links are relevant, you could set a filter pattern /first-time-buyer/ within your blog automation tool. This pattern would prioritize internal linking to your blog posts specifically for first-time home buyers. Now let's put it all together. The process involves 3 steps. First, sitemap submission. Enter the URL of your blog's sitemap into the designated field within your blog automation setup. If you don't know how to find the sitemap of your website, please watch the dedicated tutorial on how to find a sitemap. Second, filter setup. Determine the most relevant patterns of URLs for internal linking within the context of your upcoming articles. Insert these patterns into the filter field. Third, once your sitemaps and filters are in place, the content creation tool will automatically insert internal links that are best suited for your articles. In conclusion, sitemaps and filters are not just technical SEO elements. They are crucial for crafting a well-interlinked blog that guides readers through a seamless journey on your site. For real estate professionals, using these tools means providing readers with a comprehensive resource hub. This enhances user experience and boosts your site's search ranking and SEO. Let's shift our focus to external linking. Specifically, we'll look at the functionality offered by our blog automation tool. This tool can enhance your real estate blog content. It simplifies the process of incorporating external links. You can input a list of URLs for external linking. These are then automatically integrated into articles. The integration is based on contextual relevance. The process starts with gathering URLs. These should be valuable and authoritative external resources. They might include links to real estate market reports or informative blogs. They could also be official statistics or any other authoritative source relevant to your content. For example, you can provide a list of URLs to authoritative websites. These might include Realtor.com, Investopedia.com, or Forbes.com. These links will be automatically integrated into your articles. They will be placed at contextually relevant points. This ensures that readers have access to additional resources, and it does so without disrupting the flow of your content. While this feature streamlines the process of adding external links, the manual selection of these links requires thoughtful consideration. Ensure each URL corresponds closely to the subjects being discussed in your articles. Aim for high-quality, trustworthy sources to maintain the credibility of your blog. In conclusion, automatic external linking can amplify the depth and reach of your real estate blog content. By guiding your readers to additional valuable resources, you enrich their learning experience. You also build a web of authority and trust around your blog. As we approach the end of our guide on blog automation, we focus on the final steps. These are crucial for a successful launch of your automated blogging journey. These steps include defining the quantity and frequency of your articles, setting the automation status, and planning your content. Let's walk through each of these aspects to ensure your blog automation setup is ready for launch. First, let's talk about selecting the quantity of posts. This is fundamental for your blog. You should consider your content strategy, available resources, and audience engagement levels. Navigate to the quantity setting of your blog automation tool. Here, you'll decide on the number of articles you want your blog to produce within a certain time frame. Make sure the quantity aligns with your overall content objectives and audience expectations. Next, we move on to deciding on the frequency of your posts. Matching the pacing of content delivery with your audience's demand is crucial. The frequency setting will help in maintaining consistency, which is key for building a loyal readership. Use the frequency feature to set how often you want new content to be published. Before your blog automation goes live, you must decide on its operational status. This ensures you have control over when the content generation and publishing commence. You can choose to pause if you wish to delay the start of automatic content generation. This is useful if you need to make further adjustments or await a strategic time to launch. Choosing active means your blog automation will start generating articles immediately. This is the final step in bringing your content strategy to life through automation. A well-defined content calendar is indispensable for a successful blog. It helps in strategically spacing out your content. This aligns with audience interest peaks, special occasions, or marketing campaigns. Setting a clear timeline for your content automation plays a crucial role in its effectiveness. Using the content planner, specify the start and end dates for your automation campaign. This gives you a structured overview of your content strategy over time. It also allows for flexibility in adjusting your plans as necessary based on performance and feedback. In conclusion with these final steps, your blog's automation setup is now ready for launch. By configuring the quantity, frequency, status, and planning your content schedule, you equip your blog with the tools needed to deliver consistent, engaging, and strategically timed articles. The successful launch of your blog automation is a key moment in your content strategy. However, the content creation cycle doesn't stop here. The next phase involves diving into the performance analytics of your automated posts. This analytical approach is vital for refining your strategy based on real data. We'll focus on using the blog history feature to extract actionable insights. This will enhance future posts and inform your keyword strategy. Blog history is your digital ledger. It catalogs each article generated through automation. It's not just a record, it's a treasure trove of insights waiting to be discovered. To access it, go to the Blog History tab on your dashboard. This section presents a list of your automated blog posts. It includes essential metrics like publication date and the keywords used. Blog automation allows you to track the performance of specific keywords in each article. This is pivotal for SEO optimization. In your blog history, pay attention to the keywords associated with each article. Take note of the difficulty and volume metrics for these keywords. These metrics offer a deeper understanding of the competitive landscape and potential traffic. Each blog post in your history has a direct link to the published article. This allows for immediate access for a closer review. You can assess the article's layout, user engagement, and overall integration on your blog. Regularly click through these direct links to see your content live on the site. This review can reveal opportunities for layout adjustments, visual enhancements, or pacing improvements. This ensures your blog remains visually appealing and user-friendly. Dive into your blog history as an analyst ready to glean valuable insights. Review article performance, scrutinize keyword data, and evaluate your content in its live environment. This will equip you to refine and elevate your content strategy. This phase of reflection and adaptation is crucial. It allows you to capitalize on what works, address what doesn't, and steer your blog towards greater success and engagement.